So we're just going to replace the wipers on the WRX. Pretty straightforward. I mean, they are a basic econo car, but we just need to remove the others. So to get them off, we're going to, there's a little pin here, push that up, and that should just pull down now. That releases the little, it's hard to do with one hand. Push that in, push back, and there we go. That is up. We've got our replacements here, just from our local Auto Parts brand one. Nothing too fancy. And then we just need to work out how to put them in. So that will be a little bit that clips up here. And it's straightforward. Just need to hook it into this bit here. Come on, one-handed, pain in the butt. Just had to push it and force it, and then we can put that down. Ooh. And there we go. That is a lower profile, a little more arrow wiper blade. Pretty cool. So that's the stock one on that side, and then we'll go over and do the other. So the other is going to, well, might be best to do it from, yeah, over there. Again, it's this little tab here. Put it with your fingertip, push that in, pull the blade down. Oh, there we go. I can do it with one hand there. That's it. Blade off, and then the other one opposite way back in. So this one here, this is a much shorter blade. And again, we'll put it in the same. Do the other side, push it in. Got to get it on the other side of that little hook. Maybe it's easier to see it this way. So the hook, come on. Really hard to do with one hand. Oh, there we go. Nope, nearly. There we go. Sorry, I couldn't really film too well with one hand, but that's it. I just had to push through and then clip around. So there we go. Swanky new wiper blades on the WRX. So that'll help with the other ones were pretty yeah, they were pretty rough. So they're broken up and they didn't really clean too well, but much better.